Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add an email address to Google Business. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for My Business. Once you do that, all of your businesses will be listed on your screen. Simply select the one for which you would like to change the email address. After selecting it, click on the three dots icon and then choose People and Access from the pop-up menu. Now, you can see that my email shows up and I am listed as the owner. To add a new email address, click on the Add icon at the top and select the target account. Once selected, choose the role for that specific account, either as a manager or to share ownership. Finally, click on the Invite button and you will be good to go. So that's basically how you can add an email address to Google Business. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.